Hi guys, it's Alyssa here and welcome to my video. And as you can see in the title, it says slime, well, bought slime from an Instagrammer. And yeah, so we're gonna see how great their slime is and stuff. So if you would like to go purchase from them, I'll leave their name down below. And here's the receipt. And it looks like there's a small note on the back. And it says, "Dear Alyssa, I'm so sorry I didn't add any extras, and I hope you order from me again, and I hope you love my slime, and contact me if you would like to buy more." Okay, and I will read you, here's the receipt. Right here. And it says, extra sparkle, color red, extra sparkle slime, $3.50, which is, the color should be red. Plain blue, $1. Sparkle blue, $2.50. Container slime with sparkle, $4. Pink with sparkle, $3. Plain red, $1. Plain teal, $2.50. Plain dark blue, $3. Fluffy slime, $5. 2 mint greens, $7.50. And my total was $36 even, which is really kind of high for some of her slimes. And it says, "Thank you so much for purchasing from my website and no refunds." And it says, "My website, noscamslime.ig." So we'll see if it's a scam slime or not. And this thing on my forehead was from a suction cup thingy. So I guess this is supposed to be the extra sparkle red slime, but this is not red. This is like a plain brown. So I'm gonna pause this video while I get all this slime out of the bag, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got all the slime out of the bag, and it looked like it was a lot in the bag, but it's really not. And it's not red like it was supposed to be, but it is extra sparkly, and it's really great slime actually. It's nice and heavy and stuff, and it's pretty stretchy. Whee! I'm gonna see if I can do that thing that they do with their slime, like when they pull it and they like do that with it. I can't do it, but nice, pretty good slime actually. Okay, and on to the next one, which is plain blue. It's not that one. It's not that one. Here it is. This is plain blue. And this one actually is really easy to get out of the bag. So get this one out. It is plain blue like I asked. Really stretchy. Nice and not like sticky. Maybe I will buy from her again. Not bad slime. It's nice blue. I like the color. And it is plain blue. I guess because I ordered this stuff like 2 months ago, so I guess the red kind of just faded out because it was in a big bag. And the bag wasn't even zipped, so I think the color faded out. And it's not dry either. It's just normal slime like this one. This is a very nice beauty slime. So that was actually a good one. And the next one is sparkle blue, which this one is actually right in front of me. It said it was like gold sparkles or something in it, and I can see the gold sparkles. There's not a lot though. It's actually good because I didn't want a lot. This one I don't really like. It's just, it doesn't even stretch. It like literally just breaks. That's it. You can't even stretch it. Otherwise it'll break. So I will never buy this again. And it takes forever to put back together. So we're done with that one. Put it away. Dirty slime. And the next one is container slime, which is this one right here. It's like a teal color, and I actually think this one's pretty. It has sparkles in it, and it's silver sparkles. So this one's nice. And she said she put scent in it, which is, I think the scent is white citrus from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, she did put some scent in it. And this one doesn't even stretch. Like, none of her slimes stretch except for the two that I've showed you right now. Like, this one stretches, and that blue one stretches. This one doesn't really stretch. So put that one away. And the next one is pink with sparkle. Here it is right here, and it is pink with sparkles. She has great sparkle choices, actually, so you don't get to pick your sparkles, but she just matches it with the color. And she said some of the coloring that she used was, some of them were for markers, so I think those are the ones that don't stretch. Like, this one doesn't stretch. You can't even, like, squeeze it, and if you squeeze it, it breaks. What is this? Yep. Nope. We can't buy that anymore. It looks like I won't buy from her again. There's only 2 really good slimes that she has. And those are the first 2 that I showed you guys. So we're really never going to order them. And the next one is plain red, which I'm guessing it's this one. It's not red, it's pink. But whatever. This one seems like it's kind of like that, the plain blue. I think I actually do like the color instead of red. It's not stretchy, you know. Our slimes are terrible. We won't buy from her again, ever again. The next one is plain teal, which is this dark blue one. And I actually like this color. That's why I bought it. Ew. Now this one, I don't like at all. So, I'm gonna have fun with this one. It's like hard putty. It's not slime. If it stretches, I'll like it. Hold on. This one is like some type of putty. I don't know how she made this. See, and you can't even make that slimy noise. It stretches pretty good. So, this one is okay. I mean, it's not much. And it was like $2.50. And then next is the plain dark blue. So I'm going to pause the video while I get this one out. I can't even get it out of the bag. And I like turn the bag inside out. And it's not even coming off. Like, if you take it off, it rips. So, this is not fun. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so I can't get this out of the bag, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this away. Just put it in my own bag, because we have these same bags. Grab and this one is like 2 different color blues. I actually like it. I mean, it's not even stretchy. Like, she said all of them are supposed to be good stretchy slimes. So, don't believe her on that. And the next one is one fluffy slime, and I'm guessing it's this one. Because there's like 2 other teal ones, which was some of the ones that I ordered. So we'll try this one. It doesn't feel like it. Ew, see all this slime is on my shirt now. I'm guessing it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. It's just not fluffy. I actually like it without it being fluffy. I guess it used to be fluffy when she sent it. But it's nice and really stretchy. So that one's actually a good one for once. I only got 3 good ones so far. 3. Well, actually 4 because I did like that putty slime. But I do like this one a lot. It's nice and fluffy. Well, not fluffy, but whatever. And the next 2 are the 2 mint greens of these 2. These ones are okay. She said that I couldn't just buy one. I had to buy both. And it was $7.50. Doesn't even stretch. Doesn't even stretch. What is this? Let's grab a little bit of the next one. Nope, next one doesn't stretch either. Same as that one. Well, looks like I'm never gonna contact her again because this was a spoof. I made every single one of these slimes myself, and none of them are made by anybody else. All of them are made by me. This one was supposed to be red, but when I made it, I only put 1 drop instead of 3 and put a lot of sparkles in it. So yeah. So it wasn't too bad. And I'm going to put that one in a different bag. But yeah, this was a spoof. Spoof. So I'll see you guys later. And bye.